How to move Instagram highlights to archive. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can move your Instagram highlights to archive. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here, and then here you will see all of your highlights here. Now the thing is that your highlights are already in the archive. You don't have to move them to archive. So if I, for example, if I delete this highlight, and now I'm gonna go to my archive to show you that it is already in archive. So you can see that picture is already here in the archive, saved automatically. So after your stories are deleted after 24 hours, they are stored in your archive. So you don't have to move your Instagram highlights to archive. They are automatically stored there. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.